Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make Suji ka halwa, and Suji means semolina. So for that we are going to need following ingredients, and I'm going to make Suji ka halwa with 1 cup of Suji. So basically I have taken this 1 measuring cup, and I have taken 1 cup of semolina, 1 cup of butter, and 1 cup of sugar. So it's same quantity for 1 cup, and for 1 cup of semolina you are going to need 3 cups of water, just that. And here I have some chopped up nuts. I have almonds 50 grams, and I have pistachio 50 grams. You can use any type of nuts you like, and you can completely skip them. You do not need the nuts for your halwa, but if you like it you can add that. But make sure if you're using any type of cup, you have to measure your butter, sugar, semolina and water with same cup. So let's get started. First of all, I have heated up a wok here, and I'm going to put this butter in, and you need to melt it on very low flame, so you don't want it to get burnt. And slowly mix it. When it becomes soft, then I'm going to add semolina, and I will start the timer here, so we'll see how long does it take for this quick and easy halwa. It's melting. Keep your flame on the low side. We're almost there. Now I'm going to add semolina, and I have 8 green cardamoms. I should put all in there. And mix it. Now you have to keep your flame from medium to low side, not high, and just keep mixing it until you can smell the aroma of this roasted semolina and the green cardamoms. We don't want to burn it. We don't want our semolina to become very dark. Just a nice little touch of golden color and beautiful aroma. And that's the sign that your semolina is cooked enough. Semolina has been cooking on medium to low flame for 4 minutes. You can see it's all bubbling up and trying to come out of this pan. And it is getting a little bit gold, pink, whatever you call it. And I can smell that it's been cooked now. It's a very beautiful smell. The color has changed. You cannot see in this video that the color has changed. So I'm going to give it another 2 minutes, and then I will add water in there. So, to remind you, it is 1 cup semolina, 1 cup sugar, and 1 cup butter, and 3 cups of water. So the semolina is ready. I'll put the flame to very low, and I will add the water in. It's just a normal tap water, 3 cups. Now put the flame up to full and mix it. As you can see, it's very watery, very thin, but in no time it will start to become thick. Once it starts to boil, then I will put the flame to medium. Here you can see the bubbles. It's like lava. It's very hot. So it has started to become thick. And I put the flame to medium and mix it for a couple of minutes. As you can see, it's becoming thicker every second. And once you notice that there's little bubbles of butter on the side, now we are ready to add our 1 cup sugar in. And mix it. As the semolina is very hot, the sugar will melt. It's 14 minutes, and I'm going to turn this off, and I will, as you can see, the bubbles, sizzling bubbles of butter, and we're ready to serve it. It's very nice on its own, with halwa puri or with a cup of tea or coffee. Enjoy, and please leave me comments below. Subscribe me, it's going to help me, and please let me know how was it. And this is the foolproof recipe you will ever get. Keep it safe, and you can pass it down to your kids as well. Thanks for watching.